So you have created a blog website using WordPress and you have published some posts and articles to your WordPress website. And from the default design, you want to make the design to the next level. You want to design article page to the next level. If you want to do the same thing, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So if you're interested, keep watching the video from the beginning to the end. And don't forget to give this video a like so that YouTube algorithm find this video helpful. Without further ado, let me dive deep to my computer screen and see how it works. Alright, so here, this is the WordPress dashboard. Before starting the actual work, if I just try to give you an overview about the website design, this is the current design. Very basic because there is nothing to do with this page, so it looks very basic. So we have three categories in this website. If I try to show you from the backend, we have $6 post. And if I go to the category, under the bulking category, we have 2 posts. Under the diet, we have 3 posts. And under the nutrition, we have 1 post. So from the front end, if I go to the diets, you see this page looks like this. So it shows the category name, and then it is showing all the posts that this category contains. Right? So if I go to all articles now, we see there is messy design. So it is not that professional. It looks very basic design. So if we want to modify this page and if we want to make as exactly this page looks like, we will be able to do it if I go through this entire video. If you go through this entire video, actually, you can even make it a little bit different design, or if you want to make it a complete different design, you can do that. You can design it any way you need. I will show you the entire video through the entire video, but this is the design that I will follow, but you can just design something else. I will also show you how to do a different design. So in order to make it something similar to this one, let's visit this article page now. It is showing all the articles. So now if I want to make change to this page or something, a different design, at first I just need to go to the templates and then I have to click add new. But before doing that, you need to make sure that you have the Elementor Pro version, because in the free version, you do not have this feature. So definitely you need the Elementor Pro version to make a custom design like this. If you do not have the plugin, I will send you the plugin link in the comment box or in the description so that you can just make all the necessary changes by installing this plugin. I will attach the description. I'll attach the link in the description. You can check it out. So once you have this plugin, just come to the templates and then add new. But before showing you that, let me show you what theme I'm using so that you can just cross check. I'm using Elementor theme, Hello Elementor. And for the plugins, I'm also using Elementor and the Pro version of Elementor, which is Elementor Pro. So you need this both plugins. So this one is free completely, so you can install it. And for this one, as I'm saying, I've attached the link in the comment box and the description. You just need to check it out. So once you have this plugin, go to the template and click on add new. From here into select archive and let's name it something. You can name it to anything else. Just for now, I'm putting something relevant. So let's say all post. Once you have this, just click on create template. Once you create template, it's going to open the entire editing template. And exactly right there, we will need to modify. So once you see this pop-up, just close it because it is showing some pre-built design, but we will not need to pick any design from them. If you want, you can do that. But I'm going to show you from very scratch how to do it. So I just close it. I click on it and let's select the flex box. It is easy to go with. So let's select this section. Now I want to put the page title right here. So at the left, I click on plus and I type title. You see this is the page title. I click right here and let's just modify this one. Go to the style. Let's make it to the center. I want to modify the size of this font. I want to make it a little bit smaller. So maybe let's say I put 33. It's a little bit smaller. I want to modify the color. Let's make it black like this. By the way, if you do not know how to pick a specific color right here, I just drag and drop and like this and it changes the color. But if you want to make a specific color, let's say you want to put it blue, you want to make it yellow or red or any specific color, just go to Google and type the color name. Let's say blue, type blue color hex code, hit enter. You will be able to get a code. Instead, if you want to make it, let's say red, just type red and hit enter. So the term will be color hex code, but before typing that, just type the color name and then you will be able to find this code. So just simply copy this code, come to the site and paste it to the text color right here. I just paste it and as you can see, it's red. But for now, let's have a background color for this section. Once you click to this section and go to this time, we will have this color option right here. Click on it and let's make it black. Once we make this black, it changes the color. And for this text, let's have some other styling options. If I click on it, it is saying that we have 33 size text. If we want to control the thickness, you can also do that. If you click on weight and make it 400, you see it's a little bit thin. If we make 700, it's bold. And from the line height, if you want to make changes between the line height, if you want some spaces, you can do that. Letter spacing, if you want to see how it works, the spacing between the letters, you can do it as well. And in between the words, we have only single words, so it will not work right here. I will show you from the different system. So right now, let's make it white in order to look it better. So it's white now. So right now it looks like this, but I think we should have some spaces at the top and bottom. So I click on it and then go to the advanced, unlink the padding, and at the top, let's make it 50. And for the bottom, let's make it 50. Now it looks like this. It's better. So I need to demonstrate all the posts right now. So in order to do this, I click on it. I click on the flex box and get a section. And then I click on the plus. Now I need to type post. Once I type post, I see this one. There are a lot of different design systems. So let's pick this one because this is the one that I'm going to use and it is easy to customize. So I'm going to go through this one. So I drag it like this and it is showing all the available posts in our website. We will now customize this. So it has 3 different design patterns. I will pick the second one. It is my personal favorite. But if you go through all these 3, you will be able to see different designs. So let's select the card. Okay, so once you select card, you see it has a different design. And I've select this. You can also select the column. So we have 3 columns. So we see 3 posts in 3 columns. If I make it 2, now we are showing 2 columns and 2 posts. Let's make it 3. It's better. And if you want to decide how many posts it will be showing at this page, we have currently 6 posts. And we have total 6 posts in our website. If I make it 20, it will still show you the 6 posts because we have not more than 6. You can make it 20 or any number that you want to demonstrate in a single page. Like this, you can do it. And then from this option, I want to style this a little bit as we have all this post. So if we want to style it, if I need to go to style actually. So from the content, I want to increase the size of the title. So I click on content. And then for the title, I want to make it entirely black. So I click on color and now I want to make it black. So I just go to Google and type black color X code and hit enter. So this is the color code for the black. So I come here again and paste this color. As you can see, it is black now. So if you want to make it a little bit bigger, just click on typography. Let's make it 22. It looks like this. If you want to make it bigger than this, you can do it. But for now, just let's make it 22. And for the weight, again, you can control the thickness. Let's make it 600 as it was. It's good. And if you want to control the line height, you can do it like this. Spacing between the line, I think this is perfect. For the letter spacing between the letters, you can control it like this. I think that's okay. For the word spacing, if you want spacing between the words, that's something that you can do it from this option. I think we can keep the default design for this option. Now it's okay. So the title is changed. I want to style the excerpt, which is the description. So if I click on this. I click on the black again. I type it. And then for the typography, I want to make this text a little bit bigger. So let's make it 18. I click on 18. It's big. Let's make it 16. Yep, I think that's okay. Again, from here, you can also control the thickness, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. It is the same that I showed. So there is nothing new to show again. So this is it for now. And then if I go to this link, read more, I can make it black as well. Or even if I want to make it in a different color, let's say I want to make it blue. So I type blue color X code. This is the color. So I come here and paste this code. As you can see, it's blue now. So this is how actually post looks like, but we need to have some space after this because it doesn't have too much space. So if I want to modify this, just click on it, go to advanced, from the padding, click on the top, and at first you need to unlink it. By default it is linked like this, but you need to unlink and then put 80. You can put any number based on your spacing choice. For now I'm just making it 80. Now if I see the design, you see it looks like this, which is nice. And yeah, that's it. Now if I want to publish this, so let's say this is the design. I'm just making this design like this, but if you want to modify and make something different, you can also experiment all these options. The design pattern will be same, the editing system will be same, but the choice is yours. So you can just go through all these options. And of course, if you see anything that you cannot understand, definitely will comment and I'll reply. Okay, so here now I want to make a little bit more modifications. After this blog, if you want to have a call to action, you can take another section like this. And if you click on the plus, in the left side, you have a lot of design modules. You can just get anything. So let's say I want to add a button, which will try to say like subscribe to our email, and then it will go to your email or maybe something similar, or even you can drive them to the contact page. That is also okay. So you can do it like this. Even if you want to add image, you can drag image module and you will be able to set image from your existing media, or you can even upload it from your computer. And even if you want to do something else, there are a lot of modules. You can just go through it. If you want to demonstrate Google Map, if you want to have some icons, if you want to have a contact form, you can also do it like this. So what I'm trying to say is you have a lot of options. You can just drag anything and design it as exactly you need. But I have decided to show you this design, so this is why I'm showing it. But still, you are open to make any type of design that you need. So I just delete this section and let's say I want to finalize this design. So once I have the design completed, now it's time to publish. So if I click on publish, this step is very important to understand, because if you make any mistake right here, post will not show you properly. So if you come to this option, now you need to click on add condition and then click on archive and then click all archive and click save and close. That's it. And if I come here, then if I click on all articles, this is how it shows. So yep, I think this is how you can design and you can make any modification based on your need. So what do you think about this amazing feature of WordPress? Share your thoughts in the comment below. I would love to see your feedback. If you have any specific questions in your mind, or if you need further guidance, I'm available for personalized Zoom consultation. You can ask me anything related to website development, WordPress, and so on. Not only that, if you want me to be hired for your website development or WordPress related project, I'll attach all the link in the comment box and description. Feel free to check it out. And share your thoughts in the comment below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get more helpful content like this. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.